If you want to add a credit card to Epic Games, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and easy way. Whether you're trying to buy a game, add funds, or simply save your payment method for faster checkout later, this tutorial will show you exactly where to go and what to click. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where your account options are stored, and it's the first step to getting into your payment settings. After that, from the menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account page, where you can manage your profile, security settings, transactions, and payment information. On the account page, look for the Payment Settings section. This is where Epic stores all of your saved payment methods and lets you add new ones. Click into Payment Settings and then look for the option that says Add Payment Method. Once you find it, select it to start the process of adding your card. Next, you'll see a list of payment options. Choose credit or debit card. This is the option you want if you're adding a standard bank card or credit card to your Epic Games account. After selecting that, a form will appear asking you to enter your card details. Carefully type in your card number, expiration date, security code, and any other required billing information. Make sure everything is accurate before continuing, because even a small mistake can cause the payment method to fail. Once all of your information has been entered correctly, click Add Payment Method. Epic Games will then save your card to your account so you can use it for future purchases. After that, your credit card should now be linked and ready to use at checkout. If you ever want to update or remove it later, you can always return to the same payment settings area inside your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a credit card to Epic Games in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial.